You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. Disconnect the airflow meter connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a flathead screwdriver, push in the 2 retaining tabs on the wiring harness plastic guide. Then, remove the guide. Unclip the 4 holding latches on the airbox cover. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Lift the flange. Take out the air filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to make sure they're identical. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can now put the new filter in place. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking stud go in first. Lock the flange with the 4 latches. Then clip the harness back on. Reconnect the airflow meter connector. Operation complete. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Quality parts, priced right.